welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'll be making a natural healthy juice for you. Very simple and quick. So I have my carrot here, my cucumber, my celery, and I have lemon juice, honey, and some ginger. So let's get straight into it. So I'm just gonna cut them. You can cut them whatever way you want. You can cut them however you want to cut them. Everything. I love this juice, guys. Very nice and healthy. So normally I put honey in mine because I like a little honey in mine. I put some ginger and lemon juice. You can put whatever you want to sweeten yours with, and how much sugar or honey you want to put in there for your taste. I'm just gonna put that in my container there. So I have ginger powder, that's what I'm gonna use in mine. You can use your ginger if you have, but I don't have any ginger now. I only have the powder, so that's what I'm gonna use. My cucumber, just do that, and then we put everything together. We just blend it. Nice, lovely. If you know me, I'm a girl. I love natural juice. I love it. Just dice that up. Container. And my celery. Just gonna make some small pieces. And the celery just give it a nice flavor. Okay guys, I have my blender here. I'm gonna add everything in. It's a big blender, everything can all in. Okay. I'm gonna add my water. Nice. I'm just gonna cover that. I'm gonna turn my blender on. I'm just gonna put it on medium. Okay guys, so it's finished blend. That's it. I'm gonna move my blender a little bit over. So I have this bowl. I'm gonna strain it into this bowl first, and then I do a second strain again. So we're gonna do that twice. Look at that. Lovely. Nice. Very nice. I'm gonna use my hand. Get everything out. Squeeze the juice out. Alright, so that's squeezed out. Good. I'm just going to get rid of that. Then I'm going to add the rest. Not much to squeeze out. Good. Okay, so I'm just going to pour this into the jug. And pour the rest in. Great. So now we're just going to add the rest of the ingredients. And as I said, guys, I like to clean as I go. If anything spill, I just me that. Good. Yep, strain very good. Nice. So I'm gonna add just half teaspoon of my ginger, not a lot. I'm just gonna mix that. Lovely. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. You can use your lime as well, or your lime juice, or your lemon. And I'm gonna add my honey. You don't have to use honey. You can use it without no honey or sugar. You can use some sugar. Yeah, but as I said before, I like mine with a little honey in it. Lovely, ready to serve. I'm going to taste it to see if I want to add like a little lime juice or anything else inside. Or if you want a little honey or a little ginger, let's see. Perfect, people, perfect. Tastes really nice, love it. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.